Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another 10-minute tidy up. This is another video in my 10-minute tidy up series, and today we're going to be tidying up the basement. This room is our playroom, and it also is my office. It obviously is going to take me longer than 10 minutes to clean up this space, but the point of this video is to pack a ton of cleaning motivation into just 10 short minutes for you guys to get up and clean your houses or your playrooms too. If you guys are new and you're not subscribed to the channel, I would love to have you guys do that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. All right, guys, let us get into this 10-minute tidy up of our playroom / office.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting.
I know this looks really bad, and it totally was a disaster, but I want to say that this room doesn't get this bad that often. It had just been a week. Andrew usually takes the kids down in the morning to the basement while I get some work done on my computer or on the house upstairs, and I hadn't been down to the basement for a while, so once I came down here and I saw just how bad it was, I knew that that is the room that I needed to tackle for this week's video. I'll go ahead and mention where I got some of these items, since I'm sure people will ask for links and things like that. So this couch is from IKEA. We love this couch. We actually had it in our apartment back in Charleston in our tiny little living room. It's comfortable, but it also has a nice storage compartment for stuffed animals or blankets or whatever you want to put in it. And then this ottoman came from Home Goods, and the TV stand we got from Target.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
I also have a video where I take you guys with me as I set this playroom up, and I share where I got a lot of the things from. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below for you, but definitely go check it out. And then I also have an Amazon storefront where I have a lot of things like the cubbies and the toy kitchen. I have all of those things linked there, and you can find that link in the description box below. If you go back and watch that video where I set up this basement, you'll notice that I had the cutest little table and chairs for the kids, but we've had to put that away because Oakley likes to climb on the table and stand up, and it's not the safest. So we have actually just put that away until he's a little bit older and stops climbing on all the furniture. Now I'm going to tidy up my desk. This is where I get a lot of my Young Living work done. If you guys are a part of my Young Living team and you join us for our team Zoom calls, then you might recognize this space. This is where I usually sit and where I join in on the Zoom calls.
I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag, yeah. It's my fault. Moving on if you want it. I surrender to you. I'm waving the white.
Oakley woke up from his nap, so he's going to be joining us for the rest of this video. But first, he had to take a little dance break. When Oakley wakes up from his naps, he's usually pretty clingy to me, so he had me hold him while I got a lot of this work done. It might be difficult to have the kiddos clinging to you and wanting to be held while you're trying to clean, but I'm actually pretty grateful for this chance to hold him while I'm cleaning and filming. But I am actually excited that I'm going to be able to look back on this video and just see how little he was and just kind of remember what it was like trying to clean with a little 1-year-old attached to my hip. One time I heard somebody say that these are the good old days. You know how our parents or older people, they'll look at pictures or they'll talk about memories and say those were the good old days? Well, we are actually living in the middle of the good old days. We are living during the time where one day we'll look back and say, remember when the kids were so little? Those were the good old days. Remember when I had to clean holding Oakley on my hip? Those were the good old days, and you will wish you could go back to those times. So I've always tried to remember that and just cherish the moments, even when they're hard. Just remember that one day we're going to look back and say those were the good old days, and we are living in them right now. This poor couch has definitely gone through a lot. It's gone through Emerson as a 1-year-old who spilled her milk on this couch, threw up on this couch, and now it's going through Oakley as a 1-year-old who's doing the same things. I definitely should take these couch cushion covers off and throw them in the washing machine. I'm not going to do that today, but I probably will do that soon because it's getting pretty bad. I love this vacuum cleaner. This is our favorite vacuum cleaner, and we've had a few different brands of stick vacuums. This is the LG vacuum, and I have it linked in my Amazon storefront. And then to wipe down the furniture, I'm using my Thieves Household Cleaner Concentrate by Young Living. That's what I use to clean pretty much every single surface in my home. It's non-toxic and it's even safe for the babies to use.
It was a thirsty night when I first saw you. Those green eyes.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in and hanging out. I hope that this video gives you a ton of motivation to get up and clean your houses too. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more cleaning motivation to come, and follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.